anopɛ de me baya na chopa ana c0me ofosu nya pentin otoso mienu e de ahye ma no se mempa MPP fo ne Ghana fo chewma no se kwasi ringo di ono no wi a obanum na de no na ntwe no mo bewu akwasi ringo akoyi odasu yi wi obashi na de no de moponko obekoko ma eti ono onum wi a na GyimifuorHene's one ne wo fa ase awo asuom ono ni nua baba awo ayenka ho asem wi ono ni nua Kwame Jones ednigina court ayenka ho asem kura nwieye odina court enne ya yenka ho asem nwieye ono ani nua baba one ne wo ba awo asuom
abuza for mamu nyina makwaba e de ba Ghana nsem TV so bomma de so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no turn on notification be next time videos of this nature ba also sabeti makabina so ache wadwen so the munim da na ye femi Mr President mo asa me be so mo madaroma ntini e wa ha nti esema get a time because we are more exclusive news more exclusive informations ti bomma de so be subscribe to the channel turn on notification no have video no as many as you can na share ma yonko MPP ni so nya bi because we need more MPP members because we are forming a family ebuso na ye and they project MPP Dr. Elijah Mahmoud Bawumia 2028 now you know politics me sua den kakra na me hunu se amanyesem no enye no ana se bi unam no ato wo se uya manyani o dabi na
anopɛ de me baya na chopa ana c0me ofosu nya pentin otoso mienu e de ahye ma no se mempa MPP fo ne Ghana fo chewma no se kwasi ringo di ono no wi a obanum na de no na ntwe no mo bewu akwasi ringo akoyi odasu yi wi obashi na de no de moponko obekoko ma eti ono onum wi a na GyimifuorHene's one ne wo fa ase awo asuom ono ni nua baba awo ayenka ho asem wi ono ni nua Kwame Jones ednigina court ayenka ho asem kura nwieye odina court enne ya yenka ho asem nwieye ono ani nua baba one ne wo ba awo asuom eti sa abo we ye so ne so krono say refi landing ba ya wonya sika kakra ode kosi hotel bi akofa kola 18 years 19 years ne twempena ono ane yira ono na wo nkwala no waja na akofa kola kete okona ko we ahyi wi no hye mununkum ma okofa fire service for bakura mutimi numja no ana president mahama nyimu no akoba ni post what you say ode rubber nkepogu ni nsa odo hwe na ni nkete GyimifuorHene's a obana ko we ahyi wi a 2x4 duakura swa ono kwasi ringo ni fie na kire suomfo enkwala wi nom gama de so ofase yesu le ofa ni fie abodanfo nko an to ko de se akikire wi na odi maponko obekoko ma enti se chopa na ne ma MPP ni Ghana fo no pa yi se enro ga suomfo mpanifo nyina hia enom de ahye ma no se me mpa chewo masuomfo what you say because wa obon ya to ba bi nka na sa kwasi ringo du ade na yedam eti wo ye ne den dam ne beba na wi ni so onyai wo hu wo kwa no akikire wi ni na se da ho a ye fensen ablantie onya 20 years 20 montra wi na wa akikire da ho no 20 years abemo wo timi montra nti yesrem acho pa na de mamo because as ablantie wi no ade na be ye dam eti ho a no kohye anaba onto hu se wonte nka na se wi ni wate so da ba chine bebre ne pe na ba nti yesrem mo fa nche no why mo fa nche mo fosu ya penten on the screen yesu yi opa mo chew oso opa chew mo fa nche no naja ye fensen o baboni a o ye den abetu ba bi nka sa ko GyimifuorHene's bodamfo ya ye fensen nyansa bi ni trimi wi ya age na dwen no nti ye pa mo chew why matese yeso so fokofo duro seden ye mo mpa na duro so ni nyai sempai bonko na ya de nyina enka wasa wa sole alabaska nke hiafo nim enso hiafo bebre a wosa dwom sika ena o yirede nyam hotam sempai bonko na ya de nyina eka sofo ekotwa mahama ho ehia lokutus wakoma panti ya de o mana hye wonsa eye dede a se nyame na yi kire o mo se akoma pampa nka ni Ghana fo wiye ne sempai bonko na ya de nyina ene se ka president mahama Assemblies of God ni a o cartons hwe se de Ghana wiye sam wakonu adu Mosole mo mani pe home ena mo de nyamnya hye machi utu se nyame mfrɛ o bade pastor bade pastor nyame flash o kwa no afrɛ o eso mutu di mahamachi na munim se nyame na yi kire mo se odi mahama ba mpa nyame agya mo nyame agya no nyame na yen ko bɔ mpa yen kire no se o ma koso mo light ni nyina so no se nyame ya na mo sa be ka kire se ye fen se o no se ye fa mahama mra anenne o de gana jepade nyina mani nuan nyame ehu kokwa kuafo nkokrafo sika wa fadi nyame za nyame ne wa ehu bade pastor nyame mfrem azan sika ni bre mo ha mo ni mo ko tintin mutiri hu tintin eje hiafo sika di senpai bon ko na ya de nyina ka Pentecostal churches miama sore Pentecost ka hiafo nim because empire 24/7 eya dwen ba omi na kufu ado na nyampai bo eyom yisu o ma dwen omo nimdie wa mamu ho ba omia o nimdie wa mamu ho si ya mompaye aya bosoro ya bosase adwene ko ade mamadi amfa ko bompaye no ya waka ba de pastors amafu e de nyamo
me tade e bia 10 cities na se sia no eye entumu beba it should be about 10 points 30 pesos
10 pesos
it should be about 10 pesos it shouldn't be just ebe 12 cities
2 years ago na me turn 8 cities na me turn 12 cities meanwhile so no ye to ye dollar ye cedi no
I am based on the analogy say the rate at which the increasing no say me 2024 23%. And you know, if a Niema be increase, it's increasing at 23%. Which means a bona also be count. I say a content term do.
I could tell you Niema ye digina so me de to Niema munyina bafom. What is the basis?
Basic thing.
Say I was idea where ye tum petrol ye the lorry fare etwa de me bo akonta. Say the lorry fare etwa de. Because nipa ne say Niema no ye no. So kwa fa de kwa gu ni shop odi gu kam. Car na odigu no car ni to petrol it was to petrol ni ato petrol mu a obeto lorry fame and then yento petrol mu yen esokrati
that's right
the boy it is a me top pure water 8 cedis 2 years ago and a year ago necessary time na inflation wan ye top petrol 14 cedis a liter and then petrol nam ebia 13 and 12 na inflation am 23% na dollar nam 15 cedis any ade na me to enokra no na me to pure water bag ba ko 8 cedis na se nyame ya dom dollar na free 14 cedis
aba
15 cedis aba 11 petrol no ate
aba be 2 cedis a free
yes inflation no ate by 20%
point
na se still ye to pure water ni ma ko 12 cedis ya what is the basis amode to sade manum still na PURC for ebe kache say ECG and Ghana Water Company Limited say yanto water bill mo yanto light bill mo what is the basis mujina so e dey increase light bill and water bill because ECG ne Ghana Water Company Limited at the dollar any inflation rate any policy rate interest rate na mudi jina so any one sa nya mani nyina ba form it is just so no busa this question well musana out of ignorance
yes that's why I want to say
legitimate question to
ask out of ignorance
me pacho man kasa he ask out of me say he needs to be educated me say I didn't use the word say eglo me say man kasa me tell on my dia me can say me say my men some na papa na some na can that's what most people have been saying and it's up to the government to explain things to them.
Your word was ignorance. They are speaking out of ignorance. That was your word.
On my ignorance, I mean, okay, so me can say, as someone I can, and just say, and your mabo and through.
But the
can want it, or my pony can say. Was it a body? Was it a penny? Was it pure water? A costro. And I mean, because inflation is above for ma. And can the rate at what things will increase, you know. The empaniphone minimum woman, a pencil, commission. I can say, and say, and can back cost like a Sankabia. yɛda so don trend na ebia nka inflation no enka ebia nya 3 cities ne ka beka ho sana omo ka say the rate at which things will be increasing no ebeba form what you say
inflation
my me say sana omo yawe yaw me omo ka me tia say ana tu omo da me ka he say aban say what the inflation about this number and now you soon say a base rate 16 abanso the or the above 14 me boa me come catch say aban bi oman bi opeti under single digit bia no omo base rate so e ko single digit me boa na say abo me can say petrol aba for me aban no there he is trying to put all these things down.
So why na man cost
what yes aban to me so wo na akofa wa de what you say and now asema na ka say pulican ayaba abama enyama na eba from no
anya aba no de
oh unti dem yeken me say we dey buy be all spoke against say I was say ono mu hia ama ono mu hia but nanka we maye no dwadifo no kyerem so omokọ efe say port wa ne ma no from kaka nyesa na omokan yes but say nka ne ma bo no eba from but yemu say won say public area na kwa maye no omokọ fa ne ma ne ba omotete so ana abanu kreti another environment but say individual entity near so aban ketimi petro ensi so
is right obisa me no me
so at the end of
what you say
he's also asking a legitimate idea
adentina sa niam we nyina ebi no aban na ye ne de ebi na say bonten so for no nya de ebi so the government should just sit down and allow it to say inflation beba 0.5
yes
na so and never not 2 years ago, ni boy 8 cities, no, because the inflationary rate, no, the rate at which a never increases.
Yes.
If a year 8 cities, the inflationary rate of 3.2%, I'm expecting about 8 cities 50 pesos.
I got 50 pesos, 30 pesos,
now,
20
now
pesos.
it is 12 cities, which means on the basis of
yes.
made it to the inflationary rate on the pure water, about 25%.
Yes.
And as I told you the mission, so 8 cities.
Yes.
Now inflationary rate at 3.2. Now if I could do 12, the inflationary rate, no, me want to say the increment, no, with which things are increasing, no, I about 27 or 28%.
Yes.
It does not reflect the 3.2.
Exactly.
And notice there will be inflation about 3.2. And just say the inflation about 3.2. There was a
David.
It was a near increase.
Yes.
But at a decreasing rate, which is 3.2.
Yes.
But they are too just so no. And you about 25%.
Yeah.
So people ask, what is the problem?
Single digit.
Yes. Inflation about single digit from 9 from last year. It has been consistent for almost 6 to 8 months. So we should see, say,
yeah.
It will cry insignificant. It should be like 8 cities, 10 pesos. 8 cities, 20 pesos. When you free 8 are copying 12. 4 cities. Come on.
He's
kwasia torua aden antafo mu yamwa sa adwomama unfiu ate kwasia bi batia o kwasia tani anya post anka be matani so ho aba mfaso no wagimi ada bia na omudi ntafo atem kwa because we ya boa A to Z parliament mu nyina mu ye ntafo na ntafo na ebrekese ademu hu se magimi from abambabe so ebesi minority leader be leader besi wan so mu nyina mu free northern region mu krofo de matimi abo aya amamu emwa mu krofo de matimi aya abo amu enkwasiafo de munima ya hyewofo no matofia amamu won kan saa etwe keketwe abra mu wo twe dadam me kura me ne ga epo me valuche me kura me ne yiri o me valuche me mfa obi abatwe ho me sika me ana me di ma de me de investment na me de age blue BMW esu a me chele no what I say we empower special edition. I got so many luxury cars. Isn't that incredible? Tell me if it is not. Maybe idea I will be a caprenimo taxpayers money. I work so hard for my money. I work so very hard for my money. Share no claro. Tijo mama wunni mi na so kwasia. Ebe soma Kevin Taylor abuani so nkohuna nkofu amemo obi akuru.
And I hear that he's going to intensify his campaign. He can go on and do all the campaigns. He can do them in the churches. And I loved how General Asiedun Ketia gave it to him with superior intelligence and quick-wittedness. I loved that. I loved that.